Hi music lovers, the name's DC Harmony. Ugh, jeez. How long has it been?
It's been ages, man.
Huh. How well has my channel been doing?
Well,
That's going to change today. Welcome. In today's video of VGMS, we're going to talk about, drumroll please, Soundfonts.
what's a sound font?
Well, let me put it to you in a way so you won't be bored. A sound font,
I'm bored.
chill. A sound font is basically a musical file format that uses audio samples-based synthesis to play MIDI files. With it, it can make MIDI music sound a lot better. You see, there are multiple sound fonts out there. Okay, here. Let me show you what I mean. So up next is a game music I composed for this game that I had developed. Hear how each sound font makes it sound better and more distinct. By the way, it is possible to make your own sound font, but I'll save that for another video. But if you want to use sound fonts, you can search online. There are a lot of them. Well, this concludes our video. I hope you enjoy using sound fonts. They're so cool. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and remember to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Have a good day, evening, may God be with you, and remember, music isn't bad or good, music is what you make of it. Peace.
Hey, DC, what's this?
It's my new game, Jaron. Journey across EMAG and slay the 7 beasts that terrorize the land. But know that the journey won't be easy. Solve puzzles and battle monsters. Are you up to the challenge? Download the game today. Link is in the description below. Remain victorious.
I want to be the egg creature.
Dang, has it really been that long?